In this video, I'll show you how to take screenshots in laptop. If you have been wanting to learn how to take screenshots in your laptop, ensure you watch this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now head over to your desktop background. This is our desktop background. Scroll down to this search box. Type in sniping tool. So this is it. I'll click on this. Then you'd be displayed with two options. This is the record option, this is the snipe option. So you have to change this to this. Then you'd click on this, then tap on this new button, tap on it, tap on this new button, then drag it, left click your mouse, hold it, drag it, adjust it firmly to your desired choice. It can be this, it can be this, it can be this. So I want to use this, right? Then I'll leave this. So this is it. I've just taken a screenshot automatically. Now I'll do this for my YouTube channel. I would go to this my YouTube channel right now. I would go to this search box, type in sniping tool. Then this is it, snipe. I'll tap on this new button. Then I'll left click my mouse, hold it firmly, adjust it, then leave it. So this is it. This is how you can take screenshots in your laptop. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.